Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your provider allows emergency credit and your account is ready. Put your meter display in view, then open the provider app or call line for immediate activation. Enter your account number and meter serial exactly. Mistakes delay approval. Once approved, press the emergency credit option on the meter or accept a remote push from the supplier. Make sure to note the amount and expiry so you don't rely on it longer than intended. Once done, verify the emergency credit appears on the meter display and in the app. This confirms delivery. If supply remains restricted, power cycle non-essential breakers to prioritize critical circuits and prevent overload. If your supplier sent a token or code, enter it precisely using the meter keypad. If remote push was used, make sure the meter accepted it by checking the new balance. If anything seems off, record screenshots or meter readings and proceed to contact support with those details. To finish, document the emergency credit amount, expiry date, and any transaction reference. This protects you from billing surprises. Make sure to arrange a regular top-up or payment to avoid re-entering emergency mode. If the credit doesn't activate, first restart the meter by following the manufacturer's safe power cycle steps, then re-enter the token or request another remote push. If problems persist, call supplier support with your meter serial, screenshots, and reference number so they can escalate and restore normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.